Hi, this is Julie with Three Sister Sundries. I am back today to work on a bonus page for my December documented book. I've decided to make a gusseted pocket at the very end of the album to hold Christmas cards that I get. So I am going to make my pocket out of this pink that I got at Joann. So I'm going to cut this at 8.5 by 7. So 8.5 by 7. That paper is not very straight. Okay, then I'm going to score and I'm just going to turn this over just so it's easier to see the score lines. On the long edge, I am going to score at 1/2 inch, 1 inch, 1.5 inches, and then at 7 inches, 7.5, and 8. Then I'm going to turn it, and I'm going to score at 1/2 inch, 1 inch, and 1.5 inches. So hopefully you can see those score lines. So then I'm going to cut out this corner, but along these score lines, but I'm going to go 1/2 inch above this score line. So I'm going to mark that where to cut. 1/2 inch above that score line. Okay, so I'm going to cut to 1/2 inch and then just in, and maybe I will draw a line right here just so that I make sure and get it straight. Do that on both sides. Okay, at the score line from here up to my mark, and then in the line that I drew into the mark. Okay, now I will move my trimmer here, and I'm going to fold beginning with this line in toward the back of the paper, and then just accordion fold. So out and then in one more time, and are my folds even straight? Okay, same thing with the bottom. In toward the back first, then out, then in. And same thing on this side. Oh, I don't. Sorry about my bad lighting today. It's kind of cloudy, and I can't see myself. Okay, and then out, and then in. Okay, and then that little notch that we cut above the score line adds a little room for that bottom gusset. Okay, I think my camera didn't record that last section, so I'll just explain what I did. I'm going to use this paper, the last cut apart sheet, for the background of my pocket. I have cut it to 6 by 8. The measurements for this pocket will make it 5.5, so it leaves a 1/2 inch gap for to allow for the holes. And then I'm just going to glue that on right there. I've made a thumb notch, but before I glue it on, or maybe I'll just do that right now. I want to add cards on here, since it won't have a number, just to indicate that these will be my Christmas cards in this pocket. So this is going to be a little bit tricky, but I'm going to hold down all 3 edges of this and glue it right in the corner. Making sure it's as straight as possible. Oh, better look on this side. Okay, and that gives us a nice deep pocket for cards. Okay, and this, page is totally optional. I just like to keep my cards from that year, from each year, so I want to put cards on here, and I'm not sure whether these letters are going to be too clashy. Maybe I'll just put it up here. I think they will look okay. I love these candy stripe letters. But maybe what I'll do is lay them out on my ruler so that I make sure and get them fairly straight. Hold on to those. And alright, so a centering ruler works great for putting titles and whatnot on there. Okay, and then maybe just to kind of tie that color in, I can add a little red rickrack. Or do I want to put it up here? Because that looked so cute on that other pocket. Oh, I think I want to put it on the top. Hang that over just a tad because that edge is, or that end is just a bit frayed. Okay, trim that off. Alrighty. Oh, that is cute. Okay, and then, oh, I forgot to punch holes. Punch your holes before you put your pocket on. Now I'm going to have to squish my pocket down, and well, you know what? We're just gonna line it up with another page and punch the holes. That will be easier. So let's just line it up with this page, maybe on the other side. I'm going to use my regular hole punch, then I won't have to worry about fitting the other one in there. Okay. Alright, so let's put this page back in. And then our cards page. Alright. Oh, that is cute. Even on that little page there. Okay. Alright. Let's do a flip through of what we have so far, and then next time we come back, we'll be making our cover. Okay, so here is the title page. Make room for the pages to turn. Here is our title page with the vellum and the plaid, and I have added a little gumdrop that I just cut out of green paper and took a little Celebrate sticker off the sticker sheet and kind of cut it with little flag ends, fishtail ends I guess you'd call, and put those on. And I think I added some Wink of Stella for glitter. And then I've got our first day and our 24 days until Christmas, and I have just added, I have some gold paper clips, and I've added a bulb pin, or what do you call these, garment pins, and I just have these little mini jingle bells. I have added a few on that bulb pin and then just on that paper clip, and that holds shut the flap for day 2. So right there. And I added the Dear Santa sticker to the back of our wish list separate little tag. And on these tags I have added my family's names above the sticker that we put on. Oh, and on the Holly Jolly folder I added stickles. A little too much, so it looks kind of globby. So if you decide to do that, be a little more careful than I was. Anyway, adds a little sparkle. I did not add anything to our cute shaker page. Okay, and then on this page I added one of the little Starlight Mint candies stickers to my magnet area there, and then I added one on the front and one on the back just to make a little tab. I decided that with this one big tab sticking out with the numbers on it, I needed to add a few more tabs, so that's one of the ones I added. And on the back I added the little Santa and Mrs. Claus under the mistletoe, and under the mistletoe word sticker in the corner there. On this page I took another garment pin, bulb pin, and I have these cute sparkly pom-poms that I got at Hobby Lobby, and I just stuck one through the middle of that pom-pom and added it to the string on my tag. Let's see, nothing there, nothing there, nothing. Oh wait, I forgot to show you back here on day 2. I did add some of those little oh, I'm pushing them off now, little enamel dots to the marshmallows in the hot chocolate, just to add a little dimension. Nothing there, nothing there. Let's see. On that one. And I don't know if I showed, but I added a piece of ephemera on the back of the envelope there. Nothing there. And on this I added holiday spirit sticker and a little gumdrop from the sticker sheet, just to add a little more decoration. I didn't add anything there. Oh, I think I'm missing an enamel dot on there. On these envelopes, because they would not stay shut, I did add some removable pop dots that is going to keep them closed a little bit better. I lost my enamel dot. I'll have to look for that or add another one. Maybe I'll glue them on. Let's see. Don't think I added anything there. I think that's all the additions that I added off camera. So just to add a little bit more here and there, and I probably will add more as I add the pictures. I've got a few stickers left. And so there is our book so far. So like I said, next time we'll be making covers, and I still have a paper clip and a dangle to make. So there will be a couple more videos after this, so we'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.